Welcome to Golden Isles Olive Oil. We're proof that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring anymore. We offer an array of gourmet products, handmade pastas and sauces, olives, carefully selected olive oils, fused and infused with beautiful flavors. And in addition, we just recently added the Culinary Center, where we are providing cooking classes that show you how to use all these products.
In here you will find culinary interactive experiences. We do cooking classes, and we also have wine and cheese and charcuterie.
We invite guest chefs in. We're cooking and learning all the time. Golden Isles Olive Oil is open daily, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're conveniently located mid-island in Redfern Village, St. Simons Island, Georgia. We are a culinary enthusiast's dream come true.